Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be planting out some marigolds. Now I know I was once one of these gardeners. I was the gardener who said I am only going to plant out things that feed me. But that was of course before I realized that this actually keeps the bugs at bay, and it makes me a happy gardener because it also keeps the bugs away from me. So let's go on ahead and jump into this video because I mean, you can get these in 6-packs. They're not real expensive. And if it acts as a pest deterrent and keeps them away from you while you're out doing the gardening, I mean, what's not to like? Yeah, so let's go on ahead and get going. Now, when I do this, if I buy them in the store, I make sure and I get a 6-pack, number one. They're usually around $3.99, $4.99. And then I usually get a mix. So all of them are gonna be a little bit different from each other because, well, I like a little bit of variety. After all, it's the spice of life. And then I just dig down nice and deep and bury in like so. And then I repeat 5 times. Okay, so obviously I love growing these marigolds. Yes, they're stinky, yes, they're smelly, but the fact of the matter is they have a really great symbiotic relationship that goes between the tomato plants, the pepper plants, the tomatillo plants, the marigolds. Everything works together in harmony as God designed it. That's exactly what we are doing here and or are trying to do here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see some more videos on some natural pest deterrent options in your small garden space, go on ahead and drop me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. I will go on ahead and link a video that I did last year on a natural option to spray to help keep as a deterrent as well, organic, natural, all that. So if you are suffering from massive beetle invasions of all sorts, including Japanese beetles, this spray works like magic. So I'll go on ahead and I'll link that here at the end of the video. Don't forget to grab my free small garden guide. That way you can start gardening in just 3 days exactly where you are, guys. I'll have the direct link to that down below in the description box. As always, keep it simple, natural, and essential. Bye.